JD Caps 26 Tips, Fears, and Hobbies. We got a question here and a video we're going to do on how to locate, say, in a distance from your house, what's behind your house or in the area. Say you see fireworks in the distance, you want to know where they're coming from. You could do that right on Google Maps. So let's do that. Okay, so we put an address here in, and here's the map, and this is you. The red location right here is you. Okay, so say if you're seeing fireworks, in the area, and they're behind you. Okay, so behind you is over here, and it says Shadow Meadow Avenue. Okay, so let's open up the map and see an exploded view. So let's zoom in. Okay, so this would be the front of the house right here, and this would be the back of the house right here. I know that because I know the area. Okay, so you see fireworks over here in the distance at an angle, and it's over by the reservoir. So that's where the fireworks are. They're close to Andrew Street. Or say if you see them in front of your house and they're straight in front, you zoom in, okay, and you don't know the distance exactly, but unless you had a device to measure the distance, and it could be in this general area where it says Dyson Associates or Reservoir Road or any of these places went through here. So it just gives you a general area. I mean, you don't even need a compass really to do that unless you're somewhere, in dense forest somewhere in Vermont. You'd need a compass. But here on the map, you can get the general area of where those fireworks are coming from. So they could be off to your right, looking to the right off your porch. Be over here, or they could be over where Rogers Auto Body is, right there. See right there. So that's how you use it. I mean, you can put directions in over here. Of course, you know how to put directions in. You click that. Here's your location up here, and it maps it out for you. To where you want to go. You put your location in, and put the address. It'll map you out over here how to get there. It's very easy to use and a very good tool to use, especially if you're looking for real estate. So I want to show you that, and I hope this helps you in some way. If you have any comments below, let me know, and I will answer them when I receive them. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.